How to get invisible display name on Discord. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get invisible display name on Discord. To create an invisible display name on Discord, you can use a special character that doesn't display any visible text. For that, you can search for special characters or special invisible characters in the web and copy them. It's invisible, so you may not see it. Now once you have copied them, you need to open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in discord.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Discord. Here, once you reach to this page at the top right, you will be able to see login or open Discord button. Click on it and now log into your Discord account. Once you are logged into your Discord account, you will land on this home page. At the right side of the name, you will be able to see user settings. Click on user settings and once this page loads, here you will be able to see your display name. At the right side, you will be able to see the edit button. Go ahead and click on edit. And now you need to click on this display name, enter the backspace key to remove the current name, and now paste the invisible characters that you have copied earlier. Now click on the Save Changes at the bottom right. By doing so, now you have successfully added invisible text on your display name. Click on this EXE key or the cross icon at the top right, and now at the very bottom you will be able to see your display name which has been invisible. So by following the steps, you should be able to get invisible username on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.